Today in this video I will show you how to install epson l3160 printer driver. So first open the Google Chrome and search this printer name or number and scroll down this, click here and download this driver. Download driver complete. Now open this folder and yes to click and OK. Installation started. You select your language and next install. This is installing. And next, and check this box and next, and direct USB connection. Now connect the USB cable with your computer. This is successfully complete. Thank you for watching.